my suggestion would be to run new wire.
Hi everyone, welcome to O'Rourke's Littlefield. The debris up, one sweeping. It's time to get that done. Our friend Mike from Drifting Dreamers 5 and Dreaming with Drifters is on his way to help us evaluate these wires. And we're ever so grateful. And that made me have to get the piles of dirt out of here. And I'm ready to vacuum. I need to bid on a shop vac that's over at that auction is what I need to do. And in here, it looks like it's drying out. I may get me some liquid gold and give these things a good drink. I smell something electrical in here, I swear I do.
And
oh Lord.
And change the outlets and put in new, like the newer plastic gang boxes and take out the older metal boxes. And we could run it all to the breaker and everything could be labeled. And then that would really put you at ease. And I know how to do all that. And
y'all got your own house to build.
You guys have helped us out a lot.
But y'all got your own house to build.
Yeah, well, we're also coming to a close to what we were wanting to focus on this year. So once we get actually the boys area completed, my focus is not so much on the inside anymore. It'll be going to outside to rainwater catchment.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna ask for some more help for that.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
So I mean we have time. It's not. It would not take very long to redo.
And you know it could be a rainy day thing too.
Yeah. Hey, working. Especially for the inside right here.
Right.
Let's yeah. I definitely want to.
Well, let's get some pricing because we ain't got deep pockets, man. This is an old kitchen cabinet top that my good friend Robert Ellis, who passed 8-9 years ago now, 7, 8, 9 years ago. Good friend of ours. He had this and gave it to me, and I've had it in several antique booths. It's just a nice cabinet to have to hang on the wall or sit around and put stuff in. And I'm going to carry it to the farmhouse on the e-bike. He'll follow along so it don't fall off. But I've got this, and I've got another cabinet, this one right here. Oh, it's grinding on the wheel. Here, I'll hold it up a little bit. Back door delivery. Can you carry that by yourself? You want me to help? love that bike. Kevin doesn't want a trike. He wants a fast two-wheel bike. I'm thinking we're just gonna have to put it right here. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Hang it up, what do you think? Oh yeah, that's fine. You think that's the right way? That's the top? Yeah. Okay, let me get some screws. Okay. You ready? Are you ready?
Get my centered, I guess.
Oh! There. Then let go. That's all right, isn't it? I don't see anything wrong with that there. I like it. So that's an added shelf. I have this cabinet. I've had it a long, long time. I got it laying on the ground at an auction for $2. Well, I'm gonna put it in my farmhouse now. How perfect is it, huh? And I do like it in its rustic, primitive, peely paint way. And I'm probably gonna smooth it off and put a clear coat on it at some point, but I'm not worried about that right now. It needs a good scrubbing and cleaning first. And I can do it while it hangs on the wall. Why am I carrying it?
Because I'm filming.
Something went wrong here with this plan. Oh.
It's a good plan for me.
Yeah, I gotta figure out what we have room for. Oh wait, that's the outside lot. I always forget that. Okay. Y'all see that going on here. I just took this really nice old towel rack out of the bathroom because probably will never be a bathroom again. I probably won't ever need a towel rack in there, but since I'm staging this area as a kitchen, an old-timey kitchen, you gotta have a towel rack, and it'll be a great place for me to sell hand towels that I might get. So I am going to place it probably right about there. I think it's a good spot. I love it. Solid wood walls. You never have to worry about hitting a stud. I love it. I think it'll be really cute with nice vintage towels on it. The only thing I know to do is we got that deep. I want it up. Let's just put a screw. Looks like right there. See that? Looks like a nail hole or something. I don't have that arm strength. It's there. I bet that... You want me to get up there? Yay! It's hung. So now we might get a long screw and run through that after I clean it up and coat it. What do you think of that there? I don't know that I like it there. Yeah, I think here. I think right there would be the perfect place for it.
Dead space anyway.
Yep, okay. Let's put it there. Let me get another screw. Let's see, that was about that high. Let's see. Oh, shoot. So I'm doing a flower, and I'm doing, man, that's trying to fall off of there. And I'm going to do another flower here. And here I want to have the stem come up together, maybe interloop, and do maybe 2 bigger flowers. And this ought to be about like that one.
Trusting your instincts, realize that knowing looks different to each. When living authentic, do more exploring, deeper than knowing just what is essential for life that is thriving. Go deep, mute out the chatter, feel it, burn off the fire, let go until there's peace to your core. Live a life you adore. Yourself all that's standing. Live free from worry. Live by just being.